Good evening, everyone. Jeff here, making a new video of my RepRap 3D Prusa Mendel printer. Just wanted to show you my progress. I'm about to lose my voice, so I apologize for that. But I had to make a hobbed bolt, and so I looked on the internet, figured something out, and found out what I could do. So I made a jig to put on my lathe, and it worked really well. I used the milling machine. If you can see it here, just used a tap to put in the chuck of the lathe and move the adjustments so that the bolt would touch the tap, and the tap actually turned the bolt as it was making the cut in the bolt in the exact place I need it to be. So at that point I saved about 20 bucks making a hobbed bolt. Forgot to file it down. Get the other bearing off. There we go. So now you can see it's hobbed, and actually what the tap did was actually cut a thread in it, and it's on a little bit of an angle offset from the longitude of the bolt, which will also grab the filament better as it pulls it through. Have all this set up already. Have my adjustments. Now as you can see, it's right in the center where it needs to be for the filament to go through. The filament grabs it right there, or grabs the filament right there. And then, I don't have my bolts yet, but this goes on the other end of it to put pressure against it. And it will actually, when the motor turns, it'll actually move this one way or the other, which I think I got it. So like I said, I saved a little bit of money doing this. Now to show you the RepRap, I'm going to move the stand, so excuse me if you get, hope you don't get nauseated. So there's my RepRap. I got most of it, all the framework together, and as you can see, the slide for the print bed, the bottom, it works very well. No binding. Use PLA bushings, and it worked fine. This thing's really not hard to put together. I think most people, if they have a little bit of mechanical experience, they can do it. I like the color. It took a while to get the parts though. They came out of Canada. Put a little knob on the motor, so if I have to turn it by hand, I can. Of course, this motor here as well. Have not got my belts yet. That's one thing that's still on order. But I'm pleased with the progress I've made. company I bought some of the stuff from sent the PLA free, which is a good plus for me. And then all the ramps in a box. Everything I need to run the machine electronically. There's the rest of my parts, bolts that I bought. They're all stainless steel. Everything on the machine is stainless steel. Even the all thread and the smooth rod is all stainless steel. It was a little more expensive, but I thought it would be worth it. Thought about putting a fan motor on the hot end. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. This one came out of a laptop. And then the hot end wire to heat the hot end up to melt the PLA or the ABS, and then a little thermistor. So I'm probably going to start building the thermistor, or the hot end, I'm sorry. And then I got these little couplings, if I don't break one. No, they don't break easy. But these little couplings will stop some of the end play on the Z-axis. They'll go right in here to attach to the motor, and then they'll turn with the motor, of course, and turn the all-thread shaft, which raises the Z-axis on both sides. Have two of these. I think that'll be a plus as well. I want to try to get better resolution than some have. Anything I can do to get better resolution, I'm going to. So this is my first build for a Prusa Mindel. I have built a CNC plasma cutting machine, 5 foot by 5 foot. It works very well. And just to show you something else, here's what it's really all about. Hydrogen production. This is why I wanted to build the Prusa Mindel, so I could make plastic parts instead of buying them all. And then the lot and circuit. Get all kinds of different sounds out of this thing. I just enjoy playing with it. My wife hates it though. Thought this something you might be interested in. The lot and circuit. Can't run it very long. It drives my wife crazy, or my wife crazy. So that's my setup. Don't have much room in here, but what can I say? I'm just one man. Well, that's it for now. I hope everybody enjoys this video. I'll make an update as I get more done on this Prusa Mindel, and hope everybody's fine. Well, y'all take care. Jeff signing off. Thank you.